Most watches go around the dial twice a day, but not this one. It only goes around once. That's right. After nearly 2 months of waiting, the Wancher Astronaut III has finally arrived. Came in from Japan. Let's see if this 24-hour watch is worth the wait. Hey everybody, I'm your boy Slick Pits from Dive Time Watch Reviews. Now, usually what shows up at the house is dive watches, all types of different fun watches. But this thing is going to be a little bit different. Every once in a while something unusual lands on my desk, and this one definitely qualifies. So if you're into watches, diving, adventure, and everything in between, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and let's move forward with the Wancher Astronaut III. Alright guys, this is not a dive watch, it's not a GMT, it's not a field watch. This is a true 24-hour automatic. And I waited 2 months. I've been going back and forth with Wancher. It came from Japan, and let's get this beautiful thing open here. Let's see. Boom, inside the box, and right off the bat, what all we have here, it's going to be your guarantee certificate. That comes in here. Set that aside. And instruction manual. It's going to have a QR code for you to bust out the manual. Very cool. And then, how's it laying in there? It's kind of wonky in there. Let's see what we got. Cool little foam box. And tons of wrapping all over here. Let's take this off so we can take a better look at it. Wow. Check this beauty out. It's very diver inspired, of course. No kidding. This thing looks even better in person, guys. The bezel is nice. It's a good weight to the watch, so it's going to be decently significant on your wrist. It doesn't feel all crazy light or anything. Let's get all this extra plastic and wrapping and stuff off of here, and we'll take a better look at it, shall we? Alright, so much better now that I got all the goofy plastic off. Oop, there's a little piece still stuck right here. Let's get that out of here. Get out of there. Alright, most watches, guys, make 2 full rotations every day. This one only makes 1. So midnight, of course, is 24, 6 a.m., 06, noon is 12, 6 p.m.'s 18. It's all you military time guys out there, which is really cool. It's a very actual old concept. It's been used by explorers, military personnel, scientists, submarine crews, and people who work the environments where day and night can kind of become confusing. Let's go over all the specs of this bad boy. The movement inside is a Seagull ST1612 automatic, self-winding. You got 21 joules, approximately 40-hour power reserve, 21,600 vibrations per hour. It's got a quick set date function, 42 millimeter, whoop, hit the camera, 42 millimeter case diameter, 14 millimeters thick, 20 millimeter lug width. It's made of 316L stainless steel. On the case, sapphire crystal, screw down crown, screw down case back, and of course the crazy 24-hour dial. Now, it's got the date display, of course, at 3 o'clock with that Cyclops on there. Unidirectional rotating bezel, and it has 5 atmospheres of water resistance. Not really the greatest on the water resistance, but this really isn't designed as a diver. And, of course, you got the pin buckle clasp. This is where people get a little confused. The dial tracks the entire day. The bezel works like a timer. This gives you timing functionality without adding additional complications. It's really kind of a unique concept, guys. It's easy to understand once you kind of get the hang of it. It's tool watch style. I love the sapphire crystal and screw down crown. It's all amazing. But how easy is it for you to read this thing after a week? You know, how accurate will the movement be? How good is the loom going to be? And does the novelty of a 24-hour watch really wear off? Does it become more or less useful over time? This, guys, definitely has really good wrist presence. It sits really nice on my 7¼ inch wrist. I really dig it. This is one of those watches that's pretty impossible to fully judge just during an unboxing, of course. test. The real test is going to be wearing this thing every day. I want to see whether my brain really adapts to the 24-hour format, and I want to see if it becomes possibly more second nature. And most importantly, I want to find out whether this watch changes the way that I think about time. If it does, well, Wancher may have something really special going on here. I'm Slick Pitts with Dive Time Watch Reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next dive.